appreciate the beauty of our natural hair. I also share with you how to grow your child's hair, and I do simple and cute little girl hairstyles that you can do by yourself. So consider subscribing to the channel and join the family. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use rice water to grow my child's hair. Let's get right into it. This is how I prepare my rice water. Fermented rice water. You can use any rice at all. I always use the rice I have in my kitchen at the time I want to do the rice water. I first wash the rice to clean all the dirt and all the debris from it. I actually washed this rice twice before I felt it was clean enough. You may have to wash it more than twice, or even once will do the job for you. So it depends on how clean the rice is after each wash. You will need an airtight container to store your rice in to prevent it from coming into contact with any environmental factors. I use this jar that I got after consuming my shito, so you may need any type of airtight container. I then transfer my washed rice into the jar and fill it with clean water. I close the lid of the jar and then leave it for between 3 to 5 days to ferment. After 5 days, I open it, and this is how my rice water looks like. Very cloudy, and you would also notice that the rice has become very soft after the 5 days. I pour it into a wider container and try to get more of the starch from the rice into the water, and then I pour it into a spray bottle ready for use. Fermented rice water can really smell bad, and so when I'm about to use it, I put in a few drops of lavender essential oil to bring down the smell so that I can use it on How I use rice water for hair growth. In order to reap the benefits of rice water, you need to inculcate it into your hair routine. And this is how I do mine. After shampooing the hair, I spray the fermented rice water all over the hair to saturate each strand. I let it sit for between 15 to 20 minutes, and then I wash it out and continue with my hair routine for the day. That is, condition the hair, moisturize it, and style it. I started using rice water on Naa's hair at 7 months, and we used to use it on every wash day. Currently, we use it once a month because of how her hair tends to feel when I use it every wash day. So you have to experiment and determine the frequency to use it on your hair. When you notice it's sucking the moisture out of your hair or it's making the hair hard, reduce the frequency and observe the hair further. Benefits of rice water. Rice water is actually a protein treatment, and these are the benefits I've noticed after using rice water all this while. It strengthens the hair. It reduces hair breakage. And in the long run, it helps the hair to retain length. It also gives the hair some beautiful shine, conditions the hair, and helps in detangling the hair. Using rice water alone is not going to grow your child's hair. It has has to be accompanied by a very healthy hair regimen, and that is what is going to help your hair to grow. You need healthy hair practices, so like wearing your bonnets and all of wearing your satin bonnets when you're sleeping or sleeping on a satin pillowcase and all that is also very, very essential. Thank you for watching today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Like our video, share our video to support us, and also to give the information to the people that you love. We thank you so much for watching the video, and we'll see you in